The crash of the UK's top-known payday creditor Wonga has implications for its customers and for the broad brief-term letter of credit segment. Though few will grieve its death, down there is slight to encourage for the creditor's current customers, or, in less than contest, down there is a opportunity the loan expenses could growth for other. There are several of the key questions responded, sadly for thou, the repayments will yet include to be done. Though the will be overseen by the administrators, in the brief term at low, down there is no pragmatic distinction in the way how these payments are done. A facility will go on for nobody who as necessary assist, and nobody fighting to return can yet get in concern, and could as well pin obligation charities such as countryman consultation, or step change for complementary consultation. Wonga has reasoned how its quandary was, at low in portion, the outcome of an army of heritage claims. Borrowers include declared how inadequate checks were transferred out by the business to provide how the lending could be paid. The most of these include go via claims control companies. Down there is now lot less than of a opportunity of receive a payment, if a appeal is upheld. Reimbursement payments will be on the listing of payments how could be done if and while Wonga's holdings are sold out. Yet, they are not at the front line of the queuing. As in any authority, provided creditors such as banks are the at first to be pay of the cash of any sale off, up needy creditors such as customers owed compensation. Yet, if a appeal has already been upheld and reimbursement coordinated but not yet pay, later these cases are potential to be a precedence. Wonga might not be the recent payday creditor to crash, and it is surely not the at first. The controller orderly the business to pay reimbursement to more than rather than 92,000 particular customers, a trial that is yet outdoor if any of such customers include yet to be pay. Edinburgh-based Receipt Centre, that was one day the other greatest top road payday creditor, coordinated to remove of the payday loans marketplace in 2014 and went in authority following blood pressure of regulators. The ordinary age debtor of a top cost brief term loans is 35, on to study by the FCA. Top cost brief term loans involve the classical 30-date loans, but as well the much longer, and more recent, 3-month loans. In 2016, payday customers characteristically had almost 3 of these loans, though 1 in 10 had undertaken out 12 or more than. Down there are more than men, 62%, rather than female who include these debts. Their ordinary revenue is £20,400, compared in a domestic ordinary of £26,370. The most, 76%, had no saving to drop behind on. Of the remnant, the common sum set towards was £177. The is a issue as 68% of these consumer were fighting to pay their billing, and they had ordinary debts, eliminating mortgages, of £4,700.